Today we're diving into one of the boldest and most exciting American performance sedans of the decade, the 2026 Chevy Impala SS 427. This isn't just a car, it's a modern-day resurrection of muscle car glory, blending classic V8 power with modern technology, aggressive styling, and everyday drivability. In a world rapidly moving toward electric and hybrid drivetrains, Chevy has dropped a thunderous statement with a naturally aspirated 7-liter V8 under the hood. The result? A full-size, four-door muscle machine that delivers raw performance, bold presence, and a driving experience that's becoming increasingly rare. Let's talk design, because the 2026 Chevy Impala SS 427 doesn't just carry muscle under the hood, it wears it proudly on its sleeves. This car has serious presence, merging old-school muscle car DNA with a modern, refined edge. From the front, you're greeted by a bold, blacked-out grille that stretches wide across the fascia, featuring a prominent SS 427 badge that immediately sets the tone. The grille is flanked by razor-sharp LED matrix headlights that not only enhance visibility, but add a fierce, focused expression to the car's face. The hood is long, sculpted, and aggressive, with functional heat extractors that hint at the high-powered V8 lurking beneath. Down the sides, you'll find sculpted body lines and wide fenders that give it a planted, powerful stance. Subtle chrome delete trim, black mirror caps, and aerodynamic side skirts create a seamless blend of sport and sophistication. It rides on striking 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in performance tires, completing the muscle sedan posture. Around back, the Impala SS continues to impress, with a full-width LED taillight bar, a subtle rear lip spoiler, a gloss black rear diffuser, and quad chrome-tipped exhaust outlets that signal this car means business. Everything about the exterior feels purposeful. Nothing is overdone or flashy. It's elegant yet aggressive, a design that respects its heritage while firmly standing in the present. Whether parked or flying past in a blur, the 2026 Impala SS 427 makes one thing clear: it's not here to blend in, it's here to dominate. Interior design. Step inside the 2026 Chevy Impala SS 427 and you're instantly reminded that this isn't just a muscle car, it's a full-fledged performance luxury sedan built for both excitement and comfort. The cabin wraps you in a perfect blend of sport-focused design and upscale refinement. You're greeted by deeply bolstered SS-branded sports seats wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara, with red contrast stitching and subtle carbon fiber accents throughout. These seats aren't just comfortable, they're built to hold you in place when you push this beast to its limits. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels thick and responsive in your hands, with integrated paddle shifters and red detailing that matches the sporty theme. Directly ahead, a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster displays customizable performance data, including a G-force meter, lap timer, and real-time engine diagnostics. To your right, a curved 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the dash, running Chevy's latest interface with lightning-fast responsiveness and crisp graphics. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation come standard, along with a booming 12-speaker Bose sound system for those moments when you want something other than V8 music. Ambient lighting runs subtly through the cabin, customizable in multiple colors, setting the mood for night drives. A wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, and a hidden storage compartment under the center console give the cabin a clean, tech-savvy feel. The interior is also surprisingly spacious, offering generous legroom and comfort for rear passengers, making this car as suitable for road trips as it is for track days. Every surface, from the soft-touch dashboard to the Alcantara headliner, has been designed with a purpose: to elevate the driving experience without sacrificing daily comfort. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevy Impala SS 427 hides a true powerhouse, a naturally aspirated 7-liter V8, echoing the legendary 427 cubic inch big block heritage that defined American muscle for generations. This isn't just a nostalgic engine, it's a thoroughly modern beast, delivering an impressive 525 horsepower and 485 pound-feet of torque with instant throttle response and a raw mechanical edge that turbocharges turbocharged engines just can't match. Chevy offers 2 transmission options to suit different kinds of drivers, a responsive 10-speed automatic for effortless acceleration in highway cruising, and an enthusiast-focused 6-speed manual that turns every gear change into an event. Whether you're launching off the line or powering through a highway on-ramp, the Impala SS 427 delivers blistering performance, hitting 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds and reaching a top speed of over 180 miles per hour. But this car is more than a straight-line missile. It's been engineered to handle. With magnetic ride control, a performance-tuned suspension, and a precise electronic limited slip differential, the Impala stays planted through tight corners and maintains stability at high speeds. The chassis feels balanced and tight, yet comfortable enough for daily driving. Brembo brakes come standard, offering tremendous stopping power to match the car's acceleration. Every time you put your foot down, you're rewarded with a surge of naturally aspirated power and a thunderous exhaust note that turns heads. The Impala SS 427 doesn't just move, it roars, sprints, and grips, delivering an old-school performance experience with new-school precision. It's proof that in a world moving toward quiet, sanitized speed, there's still room for something wild, loud, and unapologetically fast. When it comes to safety, the 2026 Chevy Impala SS 427 proves that high performance doesn't mean compromising protection. While this car is built to thrill, it's also packed with advanced driver assistance and safety technologies designed to keep you confident behind the wheel. Standard across all trims is a comprehensive Chevy Safety Assist suite, which includes automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, and front pedestrian braking. For added peace of mind during lane changes, blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert come standard, along with rear parking sensors and a high-definition backup camera. Step up to the higher trims and you'll find adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, traffic sign recognition, and Chevy's Super Cruise hands-free driving system, perfect for long highway drives where comfort and control matter. The Impala SS 427 also features a reinforced safety cell, multiple airbags, stability control, and advanced traction management, ensuring the car stays stable in adverse conditions or during hard driving. For performance-focused drivers, Chevy has even included a performance data recorder, which not only tracks driving metrics but can help you review and improve your driving habits safely. Whether you're daily driving, taking a road trip, or pushing the limits on a track day, the Impala SS 427 doesn't just protect, it actively helps you become a smarter, more aware driver. In every way, it combines muscle car power with modern peace of mind. In conclusion, the 2026 Chevy Impala SS 427 is more than just a revival of a classic name. It's a bold statement in a rapidly changing automotive world. At a time when most brands are downsizing engines and chasing silence, Chevy chose to go loud, proud, and unapologetically old school with a massive 7-liter V8 under the hood. Yet it's not just about brute force. The SS 427 blends high-performance engineering with modern technology, comfort, and safety features that make it as capable on a daily commute as it is on an open highway. It's a rare breed, a muscle car in a tailored suit, offering raw excitement without sacrificing refinement. For drivers who still believe that cars should be felt as much as they're driven, the Impala SS 427 is a reminder of what true performance passion looks like and sounds like. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Chevy Impala SS 427, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, and let us know in the comments, would you daily drive a 7-liter V8 in today's world? We've got plenty more high-performance content coming your way, so turn on notifications so you never miss a ride. Until next time, stay safe, drive hard, and keep the passion for real cars alive.